ABC's Rena Roy reports now on the national fight against COVID-19, including the possibility of booster shots for all Americans.
As the U.S. reports more than 200,000 new cases in a single day for the third time this month, a sigh of relief for some of the most vulnerable in this country, like Nate Zavin of New York, who's had multiple kidney transplants.
I was in a very vulnerable category of people. I've known a lot of people who've gotten sick. I know a lot of people who have not made it out of the pandemic. It means a lot that I can do this.
Zavin got his third COVID shot after the CDC recommended the extra layer of protection for the nearly 3% of Americans who are immunocompromised. And now millions more coast to coast could soon be doing the same, with the White House expected to announce most Americans should get booster shots 8 months after their second dose, as the Delta variant tears through the nation. The rate of pediatric hospitalizations now at their highest point of the pandemic, the University of Mississippi's Medical Center building a second field hospital with ICU beds.
Cases are definitely surging, and I think both in the data and on the ground, what we're seeing is that this is now a pandemic mostly of the unvaccinated.
More and more vaccine mandates are going into effect. New York City now requiring proof of vaccination for most indoor activities.
We know that vaccination has been the key. We know that vaccination has allowed us to move forward as a city.
And the 35,000 runners expected to take part in the Chicago Marathon will also have to show proof or a negative test. White House health officials say vaccinations are increasing. At least 50% of the eligible populations in every state have gotten at least one dose, though they are hoping to see that percentage go up even more. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
This afternoon, it was announced that Texas Republican Governor Greg Abbott has tested positive for COVID-19. A spokesperson for his office says the test was part of routine testing and that the governor is fully vaccinated. He is healthy and fine and showing no symptoms. After the positive test, the governor started receiving Regeneron's monoclonal antibody treatment used for people at high risk of developing severe COVID symptoms. The governor recently banned public mask mandates, including in schools.